Hello everyone. Today we will go through the steps to fix the No Preview Available error on Google Drive. This error happens when Google Drive cannot generate a preview for a file, which means you cannot view it directly in the browser. Instead, you see a message saying No Preview Available. There are several reasons why this might happen, such as file format issues, browser problems, or permission settings. We will go through different solutions to help you fix this issue. The first thing you should do is check the file format. Google Drive supports many file types, including PDFs, images, videos, and text documents. However, some file formats cannot be previewed in Google Drive. If the file is in an unsupported format, Google Drive will not be able to generate a preview. In this case, try downloading the file to your computer and opening it with a compatible program. To download the file, right-click on it and select Download. Once the file is downloaded, open it using a suitable application. If the file format is supported, but the preview is still not working, the next step is to check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can prevent Google Drive from loading the preview. Try refreshing the page by clicking the refresh button in your browser or pressing F5 on your keyboard. If that does not work, try disconnecting and reconnecting to the internet. If you are using Wi-Fi, restart your router and try again. Another solution is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes stored cache files can cause problems with Google Drive. To clear the cache in Google Chrome, open the browser and click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Settings from the menu, then go to Privacy and Security. Click on Clear Browsing Data and choose Cached Images and Files as well as Cookies and Other Site Data. Click Clear Data and restart your browser. After that, go back to Google Drive and check if the preview is working. If the problem continues, try using a different browser. Google Drive works best with Chrome, but it also supports other browsers like Firefox, Edge, and Safari. Open Google Drive in a different browser and try previewing the file again. If the file opens in another browser, then the issue may be related to the original browser you are using. Updating your browser to the latest version may also help fix the problem. Another thing to check is the file permissions. If you are trying to preview a file that was shared with you, make sure you have the right permissions. The file owner may have restricted access, preventing you from viewing it. To check the file permissions, right-click on the file and select Share. Look at the sharing settings to see if you have view access. If you do not, ask the file owner to grant you permission. If none of these solutions work, try opening Google Drive in Incognito mode. In Chrome, open a new Incognito window by pressing Ctrl+Shift+N on Windows or Command+Shift+N on Mac. Then, go to Google Drive and check if the file preview works. If it does, this means an extension in your regular browser window might be causing the issue. Disable extensions one by one to find out which one is interfering with Google Drive. To disable extensions, open Chrome, click on the three-dot menu, go to Extensions, and turn off any unnecessary extensions. If you are still unable to preview the file, try converting it to another format. For example, if you are trying to preview a document that is not opening, convert it to a PDF or Google Docs format. To do this, right-click on the file, select Open With, and choose Google Docs or Google Sheets depending on the file type. If the file opens, you can then save it in a new format and try previewing it again. These are some of the most effective ways to fix the No Preview Available error on Google Drive. If none of these solutions work, there might be a temporary issue with Google Drive itself. You can check the Google Workspace Status dashboard to see if there are any reported issues. If the problem is on Google's end, you may need to wait until they fix it. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.